Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to hide all Facebook photos on only my settings. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So first open Facebook and click on the three dot, which is right below the messenger icon at the top right corner. Click on it and scroll down until you see the setting and privacy, and click on setting and privacy, click on setting, then scroll down until you see profile and tagging, and click on profile and tagging now. As you guys can see over here, who can see posts you're tagged in your profile picture on tagging section. Click on it now. Over here it's set on friends of friends. So to change it, you can click on see more and press on only me, which means only I can view all the posts which I made on my Facebook. So basically, that's how you hide all your Facebook photos at once from only my setting. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.